Welcome to Lola's World. Today's video, we're diving into the top 5 free PDF merge tools without watermarks for 2024. If you're looking for quick, easy, and free solutions to merge your PDFs, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Smallpdf. First up, we have Smallpdf. Smallpdf is a user-friendly tool that offers a wide range of PDF functionalities. One of its standout features is PDFs seamlessly. You can also compress, convert, and edit PDFs with ease. Plus, it supports e-signatures and OCR for scanned documents. Smallpdf is perfect for anyone looking for a comprehensive solution. Number 2, PDF Candy. Next on our list is PDF Candy. This tool is packed with 47 different features, including merging, splitting, compressing, converting PDFs. One unique feature of PDF Candy is its OCR capability, which allows you to convert scanned documents into editable text. This is an impressive free tool that offers functionality you typically expect from a paid software. Number 3, PDFChef. Coming in third is PDFChef by Movavi. PDFChef offers a seamless experience across multiple devices with its desktop, mobile, and online tools. You can merge, split, and rotate PDFs as well as convert them to and from various formats. PDFChef also provides cloud storage, making it easy to access your documents from anywhere. Number 4, PDFBear. In fourth place, we have PDFBear. This tool is known for its simplicity and efficiency. PDFBear allows you to merge PDFs quickly and without any watermarks. It is also offering a range of other features, including compression, conversion, and even repairing damaged PDFs. Plus, it supports batch uploads in large file sizes, making it a versatile choice. Number 5, maxai.me. Last but not least, we have maxai.me. While primarily an AI productivity tool, maxai.me includes a powerful PDF merging feature. It leverages advanced AI models to provide seamless merging experiences. Additionally, maxai.me offers a suite of other AI-driven tools such as summarizing, rewriting, and translating, making it a unique and valuable addition to your toolkit. And there you have it, the top PDF merge tools without watermarks for 2024. Whether you need to merge, convert, or edit PDFs, these tools have got you covered. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.